So this one over here is the clavodeltoid, or it can be called, okay, this right here, okay? Or it can be called the clavobrachialis. Like, you can write whichever one's easier for you to spell on the test. I don't care. I wrote both of them on the board. Both of them are in your lab manual as well. Okay, so here, right here, is the brachialis, and then our clavicles are here, right, in the front. So here, so that's why it's like clavobrachialis, because it ends here at the brachialis, starts at the clavicle, okay? And then remember last week everyone was saying that the one above the flap is the pectoantebrachialis. So now we know what the one above it is called, the clavodeltoid. So it can be pinned from the front or from the back. You can see it, it's the clavodeltoid. That's the only tricky one this week because it can be pinned on either or, right? So this huge, like on other cats, it's really, really big, okay? Clavodeltoid. Yeah. Then beside it, in this area right over here, is the acromial-deltoid. When it ends and pinches off right over here, then the brachialis starts. Right here, okay? This area is the brachialis, turns into the acromial-deltoid, or you can go acromial-deltoid, turns into the brachialis. Clavodeltoid. Then, okay, so remember last week we did the scapula? I was like, oh, this whole thing is the scapula. If you feel on top of it, in the middle, there's going to be a really hard part, and that's the spine of the scapula, not the spine of the, okay? And then the spine will end over here. It's going to be like a huge bulgy part here. And then where it ends, right beside the acromial deltoid, is a spinal deltoid, okay? Spinal deltoid, acromial deltoid, clavodeltoid. Clavodeltoid, acromial deltoid, spinal deltoid. And then acromial deltoid again, it turns into the brachialis, yeah. And then this area is the triceps area. So there's a long triceps, and then lateral triceps, and then deep inside, between both of them, in the middle, is the medial triceps. It's, okay, you have to like dig in, but it's the one right there, okay? In the middle. So whatever pin is in the middle, it's the medial triceps. And you have to write medial triceps and long triceps and lateral triceps, okay? Then we have our elbow flap here, which is the epitrochlearius here. And then inside, under all of this like floppy stuff, is the bicep brachii. You can't write bicep alone, okay? You have to write bicep brachii. And brachii has two eyes. This muscle here. Some of them have it bigger, some of them have it smaller. It's just our biceps. So this area, right over here. I can take it out for you too. Yeah, that. Okay? So bicep brachii, the elbow flap I was talking about, and the tricep area, the deltoid area. And then on the scapula, okay, so once you see the scapula, find the spine. Once you find the spine, above it, superior to it would be the supraspinatus. Inferior to it would be infraspinatus, right? So that makes sense. And then this whole thing is a scapula, and underneath is subscapularis. So this bottom part, like basically the bottom of the scapula, is subscapularis. And then this is the supraspinatus, infraspinatus, and then inferior to the infraspinatus is the teres major. It's a different color basically on all of them. It's like more pink. And this whole muscle here is the teres major. And I think that is all for this week. Yeah, that's it. But I'll review this week again, just because it's a lot.